So good morning, guys. Hope you are doing very well. Anyway, right now I am just checking in and seeing what's happening right now. And right now I am placing my live on YouTube too, so you can join there too if you want. Anyway, so reason today that I'm making this kind of live on even on TikTok. So this is my second or third day that I made live on TikTok, so you guys can follow there too. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. I will just pin that. So yes, that's it. Of course, you can follow me on Instagram too. It's same name, so you guys can watch different kind of content and learn more about trading, so you will always be learning, and that's it. That's my point. You need to learn about trading more and more. Anyway, again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will just place it on Instagram. Okay, so just before we go, I will just show you guys my trades from yesterday. Yesterday was a good day. Even though it was all news, it was a great. And basically we had a great two trades, so we took about 4.9k, which was great. And you can see that we were climbing, and this week was the booming week because of the news and because of the monetary policy about interest rates. And the reason why I bought NAS 100 on this typical time is because we managed to make market structure shift here and just keep pushing above with volume above. And one more reason is that interest rate in America are keep going more above, so 3%. And for Forex that means it's great and it's good, especially for NAS 100. And as you guys can see, we just placed and keep pushing more and more. So today is live on TikTok. Do I like it? To be honest, not that much, because I'm more focused on YouTube than TikTok, but right now this is first day to try it. Anyway, let's just try it. Why not to try it and keep on going. Just to build up awareness about trading, and that's it. Again, guys, you know the deal. Just ask any questions if you have it. You know the drill. So right now we are waiting for setup, and that's basically what I'm right now doing. There is no point for me to rush anything or blah blah blah. The point for me is to basically manage to take a trade on a good setup. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and I will gladly help you out. Hi. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me anything about it. So before you see that we managed to make a great trading weeks, this will be especially good because we managed to make it past 5k. Of course, now it's going to be a lot like so yeah. If you have anything to ask, feel free to ask. Again, I will gladly help you. Anyway, right now I will just go and make myself a tea. So you guys, I just need to share it on Instagram that I'm live. Share it, post it, blah blah blah. So we are waiting for different trade. I mean, not different trade, but what? It's saying that I'm not like live on TikTok, and it's saying that I'm live. What the fuck? Anyway, let's just work things out. First, I will just need to post on Instagram. Dun, 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 dun. Which songs do you guys like the most? Like techno, hip hop, something like that? Also, you can join my Instagram and see the real. I mean, I post there. I post there things. For example, my weekly trades, my weekly profit, and everything else. So, hi everyone, welcome to my live. Guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Or say hi if you want. It's totally your decision. Anyway, I will just go and make myself a tea, and after that I will be moving on with the trading. So I think we are overbuying this GBP USD, so it should get back down. I'm sleepy again. So for this setup, I mean yesterday was a great, so today if it will be some kind of setup, I do not care. So because we basically left yesterday with big profits, so for today I will be just waiting. I will be waiting this NAS 100 first, maybe something different, but for now I can see only my setup going for NAS 100. And it would be a great thing. So let's see. Again, if you have any questions, ask me. I will gladly just answer to your questions to help you out, or if you have anything in general, feel free to ask. So we are taking a highs, basically lows to highs, so we just need to take highs and we will be okay. Then we need to push down, so it will be a perfect thing. But NAS 100, if you want to call it NASDAQ or NAS 100, it's same thing. You can see that we yesterday bought here and sold around here, and we are pushing, taking this kind of liquidity, so buy for this high would be perfect thing to do. and that's basically great setup. We just need to aim for a setup that we need to aim for. That's it. Let's see news. So news for today are at 2:30. It's PPI, so I will be more careful. PPI means bad things. I'm just joking. It's not that much bad things, but still, it's a great. Anyway, I will just go and make myself a tea, and I will be right back. I'm back, bitches. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay. So, wind coming. Oh. Let's just take here. Whoop. Sorry. So guys, if you have any questions, again, feel free to ask them. Also, if you want, you can join Discord, so you can be here with me, and that's another option if you want. If not, all good. I will be singing always, always. Let's see. Oh, good morning, Tajul. What's up, my man? Did you sleep well? How you mean? You mean I'm great, thanks for asking. I mean, Tajul, if you think about messages that I sent inside of Discord about these messages, so the reason why I sent this one out is, first of all, people who knew me, just do not ask questions is like privately, because I'm getting like messages all the time, spamming all the time, and rather than just asking inside here in general chat, asking anything you have problems with, that would be much more easier for me to focus on the work and to not like always checking my phone or something like that. So the best thing I did was to say to just ask questions inside of this Discord, and you can see here that I just wanted to help this guy. He asked me and how to use it. Sorry for message, but just want to know, can you answer me? And I replied like politely, and what I got from him is basically after 50 minutes of not answering, he he thinks that like I really don't know. So he wanted to buy my how you call it, my course and everything, but I really didn't want to for him to buy. That's first. And second, or yeah, it pissed me off because he thinks that if he buys something, I will always be there. I mean, of course, I will not always be there, but that's why my course is there, to help you out with any questions. And you always can book a session with me one-on-one. Basically, ask me one-on-one for free. I would do it, and that's it. Like, I don't know what guy expected from me, but yeah, I mean, I was not pissed. I just want to like share explanation about it, if you get me. I mean, just rethink, like, for example, you, okay, you have knowledge, you have basically great setup for your trading, and right now what you want to do is basically, I mean, my first thing would be to go inside of Discord and ask any questions. After asking any questions, I will just like go on and like talk with people, learn more about them, or learn more about something else. Like, you can learn a lot from beginners too, because they're trying to find a way to learn, so you can learn together. That's why I made this Discord. This Discord is not only for my course to sell you, and after all, you just don't have replies or something else. Just a second, I will be right back. So I'm back. We'll see, we'll see. We have a big range for today to work with, so that's one thing which is good. So let's just keep going and waiting for the right setup. Why not? So I got message. So yeah, let's go and watch it. So let's go. Hi everyone, welcome to the live. Hope you are doing well. So, hope you are great. Anyway, if you want to learn about Forex, feel free to ask any questions and I will gladly help you out. So, you can say or you can message me anywhere where you want. So, feel free to stay. Hope again you are doing well, very well. And let's just keep moving. And if you can share this live, it will help me a lot to gain more viewers so people can learn more about trading. Right now we are waiting for a setup to occur and then just take it as always. So let's just watch for a setup and then just go on, and that's it. Again guys, if you can share on your social media or somewhere, on TikTok, anywhere you can share my live, I would appreciate it and I would be happy about it. So right now just waiting for setup. I hope we manage to go something like above, down and above here, just because so we can get like secure spot for a buy. Same thing as yesterday, for example. Here yesterday was two good trades and it was beautiful. Same thing, we pushed above, take fair value gap, again pushed above, take fair value gap and just pushed more above. So that's how we did it. It's perfectly normal thing, nothing too much. Anyway, let's just keep going. This tea is perfect for me in the morning. I love it. So this week it's going out some kind of new video which is going to be ICT concept, so stay tuned about it. It will be about order block. So yeah, just waiting and waiting. Nothing else inside of trading is different. Just waiting. That's how it is. That's how it will always be. Hi guys, welcome. So we have new highs here, and I will just put a text on it as it should be. So we are waiting to break above. Again, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. This would be a great trade if we took this high first and then push more down. That's it. So for example, this trade would be a good, but I will not force it because I'm waiting for reversal. But something like this. 2R, aim for 2R, and that's it. Usually it's a great setup, but I'm not taking this one. I'm waiting for reversal on NAS 100 so I can aim for this high. If not high, maybe even go, yeah, this high. Mainly this high because it's the last liquidity, so we could take this today. We are seeing a great rejection, which is good for me and I really like it. So we'll be taking on it. So you can see, guys, that I have people inside of Discord also texting and talking about it, which is good and I like that. If you never traded, it's all good. You can join my Discord community and basically inside of Discord community people are writing, asking. Right now a guy just sent USD dollar, so which says that it's more bearish, but I really don't see it was on 1 hour, or let's just see which. That's 4 hour. So if we go on 4 hours, yes, here is a fair value gap bouncing off. It could go down, but anyway, wait for reversal. Oh, so let's go, guys. So soon I will be posting my Discord community that will be for paying. I mean, you will need to pay for it. The reason behind that is only just to take people who are really interested in learning about trading and basically execute, so I don't waste time on people who don't want to learn like more and be inside of some kind of exclusive Discord, not community, but mostly of Discord group that I'm trying to build up to. But again, of course, free section, it will be always on, and I will be gladly helping you guys out as always. And of course, I will be posting on YouTube, so that would be a second great thing to learn from, because everything on YouTube, what I say, it's basically similar to same thing as trading with me, because I give you everything that I know, and that's it. That was a nice drop. So actually we are in some kind of somebody did text or what? I don't know. Maybe because I said this. Let's just see. So let's just wait for it. So inside of Discord you always can ask questions about anything. I will gladly help you out, so feel free to join. You have link pinned inside of live chat, or you can basically go on and in description take a link and just join it, totally free. And as you guys can see, we are discussing about dollar that is basically in his supply zone, or let's say FVG. But one for sure, he got a good analysis, but I think he need psychological level, need to upgrade it. That's it. I knew Graphy like months ago, very like few months, even more ago. I met him, but yeah. Anyway, he's a great. He is not trading live, but he is trading demo for now 6 months. And what is his problem? His problem is the mostly psychological levels. So I think it would be better for him to focus more on it because he got very good analysis and everything, so he is a great in that. But he will eventually, time to time. Ooh. Mm, it is what it is. Sometimes you get many setups, sometimes you get none of setups. Everything varies, like in between. Yeah, just a second. So it's called compound trading. If you never heard about that, compound trading or compound investing is basically once you get inside, for example here, I got here inside, then I place it on break even, and then I look for another setup, and after that setup it's basically on break even here, so it's no loss on both sides, and you are risking with zero risk, you are risking $0. So that's how I trade yesterday, and after the whole day waiting and looking, because I didn't want to go and leave these trades on and just move on, let's say go train, which I did train, but I trained at around 9:30 or 10 p.m. at night, because I was waiting for this setup to finish, because news are terrible and you never know how it will be or go. But mainly I was trying maybe to even leave these trades to here and here, but yeah, or go to aim these highs too. But anyway, I did not do that because I don't want to be greedy. It would be around 10k, 11k profit, which is great, but still I really didn't want to go that way. Anyway, close to 5k profit, it's totally okay with me. Some of the money I took out, so yeah. The reason behind, I took out 500, so I took 500 out when I was on 200 and 206, 2k and 2.6k. The reason behind that is just because I took out investment. Yeah, it's very good trade, and it's trading inside of news. And basically what you are waiting, so I waited something like this to explain more. I waited for a drop because this drop was CPI, and CPI is pretty much volatile, and you can see that it dropped down, but it came back. We didn't break any lows. It came like, I saw here rejection and saw the next one trying to push, and I was just waiting for a setup. And yeah, basically I took my, that's so great that you said, yeah, I took basically my main capital, so it will be only full profit on account, and that's it. I mean, more and more will I be taking out. For example, if we pass around 15, 20, I will sometimes take out some kind of, for example, I will be around, around 10k, 12k, I will be risking 1k. So one trade. No, I did not. I mean, I did on my swing trade. I placed on my stop loss on 1k profit because of CPI. This trade was same on as. I will just show you right now. It was on, just a second. Oop. So here I was in a trade on how you call it. So I was here in a trade. It was yeah, like this, and I place it on 3, I think, or something like that, and it was around 5-6k. No, I did not treat myself. Nah, I'm not that kind of guy. I like to make money and stay safe, like just to keep on, for example, I don't know, keep it safe and just invest in something else. So how is your girlfriend? Yet she's not my girlfriend, but she is great. She's finishing some kind of finals on her study, and that's basically it. But next week on 7th, 2nd, so on Monday, I will be going to Zagreb to her, so we will be seeing each other, and I will be there for a week. So I could be like out for a week, so yeah, because tomorrow it will be, today is 27, tomorrow will be 28th day of trading every day live. So 29 and 30 will be not next, which is next. On what time frame do you take confirmation for your swing trades, or do you just place a limit order for particular PDRA? So what I like to trade on swing trading is align. For example, on 1 hour I think I got alignment. Yeah, so here I got on this order block plus this inversion fair value gap. You can see that we are bouncing here, so this is kind of level of support. I don't have different, I just like go with what I see, and I went with it. But the main reason why did I take is here. So on swing trade you can see basically how we are tapping always this kind of support. So first of all, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see that we are touching many times this kind of level. So I was waiting to get to this level and we dropped down, and I was preparing for a buy, and that's how, yeah, I just go with the trend on swing trading. On swing trading I go mostly with the trend because that's my main like indicator to show me where to go. But I like more this trading type of trading. London session and it's over, because I'm not like going to be full swing trader. Reason behind that is I really don't like when trade takes too long. For example, yesterday it was really stressful. So this one, I was here from, I'll just say how much time I did lose on this. So I was here, and then from here, so that's 5 hours on a PC looking at charts and watching because of the news. So that's like horrible thing, and I really don't like that. So I mean, swing trade is usually like it can be more, for example, few days, but I'm trying to build up some kind of how would I call it, some kind of some kind of like mentality from swing trading, because it's much different, and for me it's much not easier, it's much harder to place a trade and leave it for a few days, because I don't know, I cannot sleep good, I cannot like I could not even focus on anything else while trade is active, and every second it can go to my stop loss, or even news can just break it and blah blah blah, everything, and you can lose a lot of money. So yeah, that's why I should be focusing more on this kind of setups, and that's it, leave it to be like that. I mean, NAS is looking great, but I want to see some kind of reversal. Tajul, did you find any girl? Or you are still on free marketplace? I'm in day trade the next month, so I'll be looking for a swing trade. Do you have any suggestions for a swing trade? I mean, I would not like to recommend you something for a swing trade. The reason behind that is I'm not pro in it, so I'm still learning. But I really don't. No, I don't have a girlfriend. I don't want to get distracted. Come on, it's not the. Oh my god, you guys! Like you, come on. The girls are not like girls is like childish girls are distraction. That's for sure. But woman, it's not distraction. Distraction, yeah. So the reason behind that is you only want to find a woman, not a girl. So that's a big difference. I mean, you can see by just how she thinks. When I was on a date with this girl, I asked her what's her plans for future, and if she didn't tell me like she wanted to have kids in the future, and basically the reason behind that is because girls who are thinking about getting like to be mother or something like that, it's more, how would you say, it's more, they are more like mature and everything. So that's one thing. And when she said she wanted to have a business, then she got me. I have 5 girls. Which one to take for Valentine's Day? One girl that will give you the most. Anyway, Sesko. Nah. To be honest, here it's same thing. It's not always like your country or any other country. There is always going to be some kind of immature kids or girls. He got liquidated. Sorry, Tajul. We were on party, and not party. It was his brother's son. He got son, and anyway, he was with 1, 2, or 3 girls, and then, oh my god, and then basically she was asking where is after her sex, everyone, and she was asking where is Fran, where is Sesko, where is Sesko, and I'm like I don't know, and he just left her there like what the fuck with 3 other girls. Come on, Sesko, don't do that. He is a playboy. She used me. Yeah, play the victim, asshole. By liquid, I mean your money getting vanished. Yeah, I think you know what Tajul. I would just say this. You know how I saw this? I mean, my girl just like being cool and great with it. The first thing what I did was took her on to coffee, and then we had a great time. Plus, I brought like a rose because it was around Valentine's Day, and I brought for her a rose, and she didn't even like show any kind of moves that she is being, for example, wanting to reach something or blah blah blah. So yeah, like she's not greedy, example, and she's not looking for someone who got money, etc., and so many other things. But she was skeptical first because I don't have a college degree. And I totally understand why she was looking for it, because I'm kind of stupid in a certain way. Anyway, but you know what move was mine? I said, "Did you date any guys who had a college degree?" And she said, "Yeah, I had only one relationship and that's it." And I said, "Okay, did he finish college degree?" "Yeah." "Did he work?" "Yeah." And the reason why you didn't work out is because he's so stupid and this college degree does not mean anything for him. So better to have a business and for myself and work for myself and have free time than to be in college and waiting for a degree and then work for someone else. I do not have a college degree. I mean, university or college, how you want to call it. No, I was 2 years on economic business. So, no, business economy. So, I was doing business economy first 2 years, and I passed 2 years like easily because I'm usually a great student. I was always 4 or 5s in school. And later on, third year was business finance. So there was a business finance, and I was like, when I was on college, I was just trading and learning, blah blah blah. And there was a woman. I don't know if I spoke about it. She said that if the market goes, look at chart for example. So if the market goes like this, it's big risk. And if the market goes like this, it's a small risk. Which, when I started to learn my trading, basically the opposite it is. So if the big candles are here, you can see direction. If little candles consolidation, you don't trade. Like, that's it. And I was arguing with her because she was in the wrong. And after that, she said to me, so I'm investing, that's her words. So, okay, Sesko, you don't need to say my whole story about it. Anyway, so my parents wanted me to go to college, but I really didn't want to go anyway. So what happened on this class is she said one thing that really was bothering me, because how can you learn from a people who really don't know what they are saying and they're just repeating themselves thinking they know. So basically what happened there is she said that she's investing in stocks, in Croatian stocks, and she doesn't know any reason why when stock is falling down, everyone are buying, and when stock is at most peak high, everyone are selling. And I'm like, really? Like, you're just teaching people business finance, and you said that on a fucking, not exam, like in in a room full of students saying that. Like, what the fuck you can say? Oh my god, I'm just right now getting angry because of it. And she said that. So she oh my god, she is like in business finance. And what she did say is basically that if it goes above, people are selling, and if it goes down, people are buying, and I do not know why. Like, you're saying that woman who studies business finance for over past 5, 6, 7 years, 10 years, I do not care how much years, you don't know what, like, how that works. So that's why I left college and never looked back. So this was a first month of college, like new year, third year, and I could finish third year with the degree and get a degree, and that's it. But really, never. If they ask me about degree, I will just show them my trading account, and that's it. He is all solo struggle. Yeah, that's true, Sesko, that's true. Tajul is on my side, and you are piece of shit, Sesko. But it's funny that my family didn't know that I left the college. I mean, right now they know because I'm not doing anything for them. I mean, not for them, but they think I don't do nothing. I'm just playing games and working, filming, etc. Anyway, that's funny. Tajul, how much years do you have? I mean, you knew. I mean, you knew you're basically. I mean, I'm. You're my friend, not friend. I'm your uncle, so. I mean, I can come now. It's not a big deal, but I would once I get like. I mean, your family knew just because you were you told them because you are snitch. After completing your 10k goal, make sure to come to Bangladesh. It's beautiful and affordable. So Tajul, on September, I will think about it because maybe I will do some kind of, let's say, reunion, or I don't know what, but in September I will ask people inside of Discord or any traders to come 1 week in Croatia or my house, and just to have like trading week, having fun, and that's it. But it will be just for people who are inside of Discord like long enough, not for just random someone. But we can go, Sesko, we can go to Bangladesh. Why not? Let's see how much cost one ticket to Bangladesh. What? I didn't understand your previous question about years you have. You mean about college years or? Yeah, Sesko is a snitch. Okay, okay, Tajul, just don't flex with your country. We have that too. I mean, I heard from this Bangladesh guy who is I'm doing and I'm on. So you're on the second year. I mean, I was on second year. I finished second year with my studies, and third was when I exit my college, and that's it. Yeah. I mean, Tajul said that he was once in Croatia, right? On US green card. Nah, you don't need it. Come on, man. Trust me, America is so much less beautiful than I was thinking about it. When I was in America, it was so ugly to see it. It's nothing similar to any movie or some kind of thing like Switzerland, Europe. Europe is much much more beautiful than America. That's for sure. Even if you wanna say it, I will say it. Croatian Sea is much much more beautiful than any American sea. So right now I'm just waiting to see what's happening. Would love to take this low and then push above. No, I will tell you this. You don't. So right now online is Gattusa Marin, and what you want to ask, my man?
I want to ask, what does it called? The cable for the fucking HDMI?
Aha, you want so šta trebaš? So Gattusa, I mean Marin Gatto, he is needing cable for for this, how it's called, oh my god, cable for two monitors, so he needed. Anyway, I just need to text him which one. So America is not great, but you get so many financial opportunities if you have a green card or an American passport. I will tell you no. For example, I have firm inside of Latvia, which is royal country, and Swedish, Norway. They're all royal countries, and what you get with that royal countries is basically the best thing you can ever get. You get a free passport anywhere in the world. So, sorry, visa, not passport. I mean, not everywhere in the world, but you get a visa where you want to go. You don't need to wait 6 months to be approved or something like that. You just get instant approval with Royal Visa. So that's one thing that I liked most about having firm there. And the reason why I just left there, because I really don't like the place, because it's too much of cats inside of this city, because they look cats as some kind of gods. They have like even statues of cats, and I should be like going there once like one time in 6 months for a week to be there, and then get back if I don't want to be there, just to like register my passport inside of their country. So that's why I left, because I really don't like to go and travel. So this guy, Greffy, and Asian was trading. We expected it to consolidate before London. I mean, for me, usually it does not have to be like consolidation, but he is true. I mean, he is saying true things. So this would be a good setup, but for New York, my trade for London. So trade for London, US dollar, Japanese yen. I would not look even on that pair, because I really don't like USD fighting over yen. I'm just joking. That's great. I mean, he's. I kind of understand he is rejecting from this level and thinking maybe here, but you don't know if it's going to go more down. For example, maybe it's reversal point. For example, you have here order block, so maybe it just will be leaving wick down and then pushing above, but maybe it will not. It's on his way to decide, because by looking just at it, I mean, I kind of understand here. Okay, here it should be going down because we broke here, market structure shift, this order block, but yeah, this is a British pound US dollar. So 4 hour, I mean, we took highs here. Boy, but I don't like that huge rejection candle. Yeah, I agree with you. So that candle would be great, because we broke down, but I didn't get sweep of this high, so I did not even bother to take this trade. Anyway, so we are here on a green card for America. But how can you even get a green card? So you just need to send your information, visa and everything, so you then get a green card, or how it's even working? But Tajul, why don't you go, for example, on abroad, like studying abroad or something like that? You can come 1 semester or 2 semester inside of Croatia. Why not? So that's a great push down again. Mm, 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 mm. There is a nice rejection. If we push more above and leave a fair value gap, this will be a perfect trade for us. Trust me. So what I think will be the biggest problem here is this kind of fair value gap. So these two, and we have order block here. So this is the ranges that I think we will have the most problems. I'm ready for first trade. Yeah. What, did you place your money or did not? But don't go with the real money, like go with the demo. This is great. I will just read the price action, that's it. Yeah, I opened, okay, demo. Like I was like, no, why go to live immediately? Nice. I mean, looking at volume, it's just a buying pressure. But I want to see a fair value gap to be made. So let's just wait for Let's just wait for a setup. We could have something here too. But still need to see some kind of pushing momentum, because one candle volume does not mean nothing. Like, I just need the second candle to push more above. It needs to close above this one, so let's just wait and see. But if we close above market structure shift and we make a great fair value gap, instant entry, because that's a good market, I mean good liquidity take and just pushing above. Yeah, at Asian high. I mean, it could be a big trade, for example, like this, or it could be something a little bit smaller, but around here it should be good. So we'll be looking for it. You can go TP on Asian high or these higher highs to be taken, because you can see that we are taking little by little. So yeah, we have 2 hours till this close, so just to see how we will reject, and we can see that we are rejecting little by little. Anyway, let's see. I would like to see in less weeks. Great push again. Let's see, just, yeah, volume is falling down, but let's just see price action, not volume. Nice pushing momentum. Now it's good if we close like close to market structure shift and then second close above. That would be great. Like it's listening to me. Maybe it does. Your mic is off too. Okay, my bad. I really don't. I forgot. I forgot to turn my mic on. Anyway, so here it is. So I will just send to Discord for everyone to see. I will just, what's 10 seconds, I will just wait. So placing this trade, and let's see if we will get tagged on. So making this market structure shift. Oh, my bad. Making this market structure shift. Great, strong. And let's see now retracement levels. I will close that. I will just go off price action. That's it. And TP is going to be on top. I think market will come down to that fulfill bullish FAG on 50-minute time frame. Maybe you can see these levels kind of rejecting in a good way. So I really don't. I really don't, because even USD is climbing. So for me, that's a great indicator. Only thing I will be careful is about these fair value gaps above, just so we don't reject strongly. Let's see. I mean, that's true. So we are pushing still. I need to buy new chair for PC because this is kind of falling down more when I sit, or I'm too heavy for it. So it has pushing power. So we are in a good way, but not tapped in. I will just wait first to see how it's going to be rejecting, or it will ever be rejecting. You have same thing on US 30. Maybe could take that too. We'll see about that. I don't like because of the news, so that's the one reason. I'll just go to my toilet. What I would love to see to tap, I mean, we did not tap, we were close to it. So to tap in this side of fair value gap, bounce off of this one, and that's it. So let's see if we get tapped here and then just move above. Let's see which RR is the better, NAS or US30. It's same thing, same shit. We could go same thing here, but I like more when it's closer to market structure shift, so that's why. Okay, now let's see rejection from this level and rejection to here, and then again when we come back here we will just break it and push them more above, which is great for us. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, let's see rejection. Rejection to downside, downtown, downtown. I guess it will be just pushing more and more, but we'll see, because I want to see rejection off of this bearish fair value gap, and after that tapping in mine and just pushing more above. Would even consider moving maybe above fair value gap, but we'll see. Not interested in that, more of this lower fair value gap. And we can see maybe it's in a range of Fibonacci, so from here to here you can see that's kind of overlapping, and if it goes more above, somewhere like this, it will be exactly inside, but let's just wait. For now it's a waiting game, that's it. I mean, I'm not looking for a POV or PDRA or something like that because I'm mechanically trading. But I mean, if your strategy is saying like that, go on it. I will just stay with mine. No, I'm not looking because you can see that it's a big range. GBP could be a good trade if we swept here and then come back down here, and you can see here would be a great breaker block, but right now it's only mitigation block plus FVG here overlapping. We could go from it, but I really don't want to risk anything about that because right now we are going to risk more of money, so that's why not. That's why I'm only looking for these setups that occur with great things. For example, this one was a great, perfect. So took down, make lower high, took down, take low, and just push more above. Perfect setup. If we push above this fair value gap, I will just exit the trade. It's a pointless. Let's just wait. No, I will not. No, I will not, because she got exams, so I would not sticking with her, nor I will even go for it because I want her to pass everything. If it's going to push more and more above, I will come to your house and we can eat Nutella on Valentine's Day. No homo, says call. No. You know what's funny? I'm your uncle, so be careful. I think this will be that's it basically of today. Because if this closes more inside of it, it could be a potentially bad, but let's just wait. Yeah, it's all good, Seska. I will need to wait myself today to see how much kilos I have. You are a big guy. I'm a big boy. Yeah. Not liking these movements. But first, let's just wait a little bit. We'll see if we reject, but I think it is big push. No, I did not, just because I will be waiting myself, so. But usually I do not eat a lot in the morning, because then I feel bad. I will just wait. If we take this high inside of this fair value gap, I will then get out, because then it's possibility to make market structure shift. Yeah, it's 10:50. I wake up around 7:30, 7. I mean, you will not lose kilos in morning. You will lose more kilos if you are eating if you're stop eating at night. So that's what I stopped. That I stopped eating sugar. I stopped eating bread, and it helped me a lot. Anyway, let's just wait to see. A minion. I mean, I mean that's true, but yeah. I'm not judging, but still. Okay, this candle looks good. Just needs to push down. All that just to get the push. Nah, I do it to be faster in football. That's not true, because he doesn't play football. Maybe he does now, but he didn't train football in the past few years. You snitch on me, I will snitch on you, bitch. Yeah, you play really, really bad. Yeah, it's little football. Fuck that. That's nothing. If it's not professional, it does not count. Let's just wait. This waiting game is killing me, but it is what it is. But I think I will just exit this and just move on for today. Just go and finish video for YouTube and maybe I'll automatically post it. We'll see. I mean, it's after lunch, so sorry, it's not after lunch. It's basically lunchtime in my country, and then it's slowing down. It's always like that. So we push down, that's great. Now let's see. I was expecting to get this kind of reaction. but it's rejecting off of this fair value gap. Yeah, we can see that. Oh, that was a great rejection. That was a great rejection. But we will see if we continue going down to this fair value gap. Yeah, I think I will. But maybe just wait a little bit to see what's going to happen like just a little bit later. I think that's it. Yeah, I will just call it a day. Because of this push, if it returns back, it could just take stop loss, and let's just move on for today. Yeah, I think that will be it. So guys, I will take down this live, and later on I will just go and make YouTube videos about order blocks, so you guys, I think I will post it today, so stay tuned and see you tomorrow at